Let's connect with our experts and know that going forward, especially on the index, how is he looking at and what should we expect? Let me welcome on board Ruchit Jain of 5 Paisa. Hi, very good afternoon, Ruchit. With the kind of a recovery that we have seen in the markets, do you expect this to continue? Because tomorrow there's an important event too that is lined up.
Yes, hi, very good afternoon. Certainly, very important event which would impact tomorrow's weekly expiry day as well. But if you look at the data, of late, what we have seen that the market has corrected mainly because of absence of FIIs buying. In last 4 months, since the month of April, FIIs have been continuously buying in the cash segment as well as in the index futures segment. They had good amount of long positions, which has led to this up move. For example, if you look in the month of April, no, they were buyers to the tune of about 7,500 crores. In month of May, they were buyers of 27,000 crores. Again, another 27,000 crores buying was seen in the month of June as well. And even in July, they had decent 14,000 crore buying figures. But in the August month so far, we have not seen any kind of significant buying interest in the cash segment. In fact, about 5,000 crores selling figure is there net on net. We have seen that last 4 months up move was primarily led by FIIs buying, which is missing this time. And that's why we have seen that the markets have seen a corrective phase. But the good thing is that all the negative news flows which we have seen on the global front, I think markets have digested more of this negative news. And the market breadth has been very strong in this corrective phase. The market breadth is positive. The mid caps have been doing well. The mid cap index is trading at its all-time high. So this indicates that the buying interest is still there amongst market participants. If not the index, then sector or stock specific moves are showing some positive returns. So looking at this market breadth, we believe that downside in the market should be limited from here on. And even in the options data for tomorrow, if we see the 19,500 put option has seen decent open interest built up addition today. So we are of the opinion that if the market is able to surpass that 19,700 mark, then it will resume its uptrend. And till then, we could see some bout of range bound activity from 19,700 to 19,500. But since the overall stock specific activity is positive, for now we are focusing on stock specific moves only.
Lisa, this side, quite an interesting day, a bit of recovery, a bit of volatility. So what kind of picks would you recommend in this scenario?
Yeah, so I have a couple of buy recommendations only. Looking at the market breadth, as I said, the momentum is not on the negative side in stocks. So obviously, when you are looking for stock-specific trading opportunities, then you have to look for stocks which could show some relative outperformance to markets going ahead. ONGC would be my first pick over here. Rising crude oil, of course, supports the market, and what we have off late seen that all the PSU names which are giving good dividend yield, a lot of buying interest has been seen over there. I think ONGC is also one of the stock which has relatively not shown that outperformance compared to what broader markets have shown so far. But now we can clearly see a high top, high bottom structure. Previous swing highs has been crossed. So we expect some short-term outperformance from ONGC. So short-term traders can buy the stock below 172 for possible targets around 186 and above. And Tata Motors is my second pick where clear high top, high bottom structure is there. Recently, we have seen that the price up moves have been supported by good volumes. On corrections, the volumes are not high. The stock is trading around its 40 days exponential moving average support. So I think it's a good buying opportunity. This dip seems to be a good buying opportunity in Tata Motors again. So one can go along on Tata Motors as well. Stop loss below 605 for target somewhere around 650.
Thank you so much, Ruchit. We'll let you go on that. Thank you for joining us today on your take on the markets and your stock specific ideas.